Hello everyone, welcome back. What we have here is my train setup using two Arduino Nanos, one here and one over here in an I/O shield. I have two breadboards, one for each. This one's the master and this one over here is the slave. And I have them connected using the NRF24L01 card. On the breadboards, we have LEDs representing parts of the track. Also to the master, there is an RF card with 4 sensors that would be simulated in the track. There's the first one, it's on the outside of the block, and this one here is number 2, is also on the outside of the block. And then these two center ones are controlling for the isolation tracks. These represent a turnout, deflection, and straight, and then this is the other side, deflection and straight. And when they are synced together to where if one changes to straight, the other one changes to straight. These other two are the isolation tracks. They will cut or restore power to isolation track to stop a train or to resume operation of a train. One of them's on the main, one's on the siding. I've built into the system to where when the signal is triggered from the IR connector, it will accept the first one and then ignore any other signals from that sensor for up to 5 seconds. That way it keeps it from just, randomly sending signals through the system and screwing things up. So let's have a look at what it looks like. Let's dim the lights. Some power, and the two signals on the left are showing that the main line is open. Now we'll have a train come into the first signal. First IR is tripped. The signal changes to red and the switch directs to the main line. And now he will pass his second IR and his power is cut. The second train enters the thing. The switches are switched to siding, and when he reaches his second IR, his power is cut, and the first train's power is restored, and he can proceed out. And once he does, the main line changes back to green again. Say he circles around and he comes back to the first IR, trips it, the switches change to main line, he proceeds, and when he reaches his second IR, his power is cut and the siding power is restored, and he continues on to the outside. Thank you for watching.